Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide mobile number in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide mobile number in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings and you will land on this interface where you can see there is the privacy and security option available for us just below the chat settings. So in order to hide your mobile number in Telegram, first tap on the privacy and security and you will land on this interface where you can see there is the phone number option available for us under the category of privacy. Tap on phone number and you will be over here. Now in order to hide your mobile number in Telegram from over here, you can see there are two options where it says who can see my phone number, either my contacts or nobody. If you want to hide your mobile number in Telegram from everybody, then tap on nobody, and where it says who can see my phone number, and it will be chosen on nobody, and nobody will be able to view your mobile number in Telegram. Similarly, on my contacts, if you want to show your contacts your mobile number, then choose the my contact option. But in my case, guys, I want to hide the mobile number in Telegram from everybody, so I'll be tapping on the nobody because I don't want to show my mobile number to many person. And with that being done, guys, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen and your mobile number will be hidden on Telegram from everybody. Or in your case, if you have chosen your contacts, then nobody except your contacts will be able to view your phone number or your mobile number in Telegram. But in my case, nobody will be able to see my phone number. And there, guys, this is how to hide your mobile number in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.